Hello students, how are you all? In today's video, we'll be doing second chapter from your textbook named How the Dog Found Himself a New Master. Before we start this chapter, we'll be reading the lines given above. Before you read, you may know that the dog and the wolf are closely related. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated and tamed wild animals. Here a story about how the dog became a tame animal. So here we are told that कि dog and wolves are closely related, means वो पहले एक साथ रहते थे और they belongs to one family and ओवर द सेंचुरीज कि अपन जब से स्टोरी सुन रहे वी आर ओनली लिसनिंग कि डॉग आर फ्रेंड्स टू ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड दे आर डोमेस्टिकेटेड एंड टेम. डोमेस्टिकेटेड मीन्स कंट्रोल एंड टेम मीन्स उनको अपना पेट बना लिया, पालतू बना लिया है ह्यूमन बीइंग्स ने. एंड इवन दिस डजंट मीन नेगेटिव बट इट इज़ अ स्टोरी वी आर रीडिंग इट. And let me tell you this, that this story is known as folk tales. What is folk tales? Folk tales are popular stories passed on generally in spoken form. कि मतलब ऐसी पॉपुलर स्टोरीज़ हैं, ठीक है. स्टोरीज़ काफ़ी और अच्छी होती हैं, ठीक है, काफ़ी पॉपुलर होती हैं. बट जो ऐसी स्टोरी जो कि अपन स्पोकन फॉर्म में मीन्स बोल के बताते हैं, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड फोक टेल. एंड दीज फोक टेल्स आर पास्ड ऑन फ्रॉम वन जनरेशन टू नेक्स्ट जनरेशन इन अगेन स्पोकन फॉर्म. सो इन दिस चैप्टर वील बी सीइंग दिस फोक टेल एज कि हाउ डॉग बिकेम and or how you can say dog found a new master. So in this chapter we'll be seeing different situation and how dog decides कि कौन सा उसके लिए perfect master है या कौन एक new master होगा. Now let's begin from the first paragraph. Dog once their own master and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about himself, looking for food and being frightened of those who were stronger than him. Okay, now here we see that the description of the dog, that dog who was born was very ill pleased, means unhappy था. ओके, बिकॉज ही वॉज टायर्ड ऑफ फाइंडिंग फूड शेल्टर फॉर हिम. सो ही थॉट कि मेरे को एक ऐसा मास्टर मिलना चाहिए जिससे वो मुझसे स्ट्रॉन्गर हो, और मुझसे ही नहीं, इवन स्ट्रॉन्गर देन अदर देन दैट, कोई भी हो, सबसे जो स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट थिंग होगी या कोई चीज़ ऐसी होगी वो मेरे मास्टर बनेंगे. बट अर्लियर डॉग, that is like it is a long a story ago, that dogs were also wild as a wolf. They both were wild animals. They both lived in a jungle and mostly together. But about this dog, he was unhappy and इसमें लिखा है wandering. Wandering means roaming here and there. So he is always roaming here and there because he want to have a master who is stronger than anyone else. Second paragraph. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of the one who was stronger than anyone on the earth, and he set out to find such a master. Master here means owner, and it is written that the servant as in वो वाला servant नहीं that you see in your home or other home, but here he wants to be a servant which can help his master or be loyal to his master. Now, even after thinking repeatedly, he decided to work as to help someone or someone who is stronger. So he started searching for the strongest one. Like after seeing all that ki I am tired, I am afraid, frightened, as it was written, so like I am afraid of the strong animals जो कि जंगल में है, तो मैं एक सर्च पे निकलता हूँ एंड आई विल फाइंड द वन सो दैट आई वोंट बी फ्राइटेंड एनी मोर. Third paragraph, he walked and he met the kinsman of his. A big wolf was as strong as he was fierce. Where are you going, dog? The wolf asked. I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master, wolf? I don't see why not, the wolf said, and this agreed upon, the two of them went together. So here, when he was searching for the master, he found the kinsman here. What is the meaning of kinsman? Kinsman means that a relative. Okay, as I told you कि dogs and wolves are from the same family. And when he approached to wolf, he said that would you like to be my master? And why the dog decided कि wolf ही उसका master बनना चाहिए? Because wolf was the only strong, but was not only strong, but he also had a frightened look. Fierce mean frightened और violent, कि उसको देखते ही जस्ट कि वो स्ट्रॉन्ग ही नहीं लगता है, ही वुल्फ एकदम डरावना. फ्राइटेंड मीन्स देखते सार डरावना लगता है. सो माइट बी वुल्फ मेरा एक परफेक्ट मास्टर होगा. ही आस्क्ड टू वुल्फ एंड वुल्फ रिप्लाइड कि येस, कि वी विल बी टुगेदर फ्रॉम नाउ. Fourth paragraph, they walked and they walked. All of the sudden, the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes, and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. What's come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? Can't you see the bear? There is a bear out there, and he might eat up both of us, you and me. So now, when they were walking in jungle, suddenly the wolf sniffed, lifted the nose. अगर आपने वैसे देखा है कि कैट या डॉग को अगर उनको कुछ स्मेल करना है तो दे lift their face, not in nose particularly, and they try to smell in the air. इनकी जो नोज़ है एनिमल की, दे आर वेरी पावरफुल नोज़. तो जो जैसे अपन को इवन इन द किचन लाइक कुछ कुक हो रहा है तो वी कि वो स्मेल अपन को बाय एयर के थ्रू आती है. सो ही लिफ्टेड हिज नोज एंड स्मेल इन द एयर. डार्टेड क्विकली ऑफ मीन्स ही हाइड हिमसेल्फ क्विकली in the bushes, and even went. Crept means even while moving quickly, they also went deeper in the forest. So by seeing this कि एकदम से वुल्फ ने स्निफ करा एंड वो क्विकली या फिर अपने आप को छुपा रहा है इतनी जल्दी, तो वो क्यों कर रहा है? ही वॉज डॉग वॉज वेरी सरप्राइज्ड एंड ही आस्क्ड द वुल्फ व्हाई यू आर सो फ्राइटेंड. ऐसा क्या हुआ कि जिससे तुमको डर लग गया है? तो वुल्फ उसको रिप्लाई करता है, कांट यू सी देयर इज़ अ बेयर. सो ही टोल्ड द डॉग दैट देयर इज़ अ बेयर कमिंग टू अस. मतलब उसको दिखाई नहीं दिया, जस्ट बिकॉज उनकी नोज पावरफुल होती, ही स्मेल्ड दैट कि एक बेयर है जो कि वो उनकी तरफ आ सकता है एंड ही माइट ईट बोथ वुल्फ एंड डॉग. सो चिल्ड्रन सी, उसने जैसे डॉग ने डिसाइडेड था कि हाँ यही सबसे स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट है वुल्फ एंड यही क्या कहते हैं उसका फियर्स लुक है जो कि उसको हेल्प करेगा कि किसी से ना डरने में. बट नाउ व्हाट वी सी कि वुल्फ भी डर गया एंड सो डॉग थिंक ही इज़ नॉट द मोस्ट पावरफुल और स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट ऑन द अर्थ. सो ही from the 5th paragraph we'll be seeing कि after seeing this, कि जब उसने देख लिया कि वुल्फ भी डर गया, वो सबसे स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, तो वो अब क्या डिसाइड करता है, we'll be seeing in the 5th paragraph. 5th paragraph, seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this readily and said, "Let us go and find a herd of cows. I'll kill a cow and then we can both eat our fill." So, as a result, dogs said goodbye to the wolf, and dog changed his mind and asked the bear that कि आप अब मेरे मास्टर बनोगे, I'll like to serve you. Service with him means dog was ready to serve bear, and in reply the bear said, "Okay, let's go and find the herds of cow." Herds of cow means that group of cows, and he said that we'll be killing the cow and we can eat our fill, means we can both fill our stomach with this. Here it is written, see. 6th paragraph, they walked on and soon saw a herd of cow, but just as they were about to come up to, they were stopped by terrible noise. The cow were mooing loudly and running in a panic in all the direction. So when they were walking, they noticed that there are group of cows, but as they tried to approach to the cow or move closer to the cow, they hear a terrible means unpleasant, horrible, मतलब जो सुनने में अच्छा ना हो. तो cow क्या सुनने में उनको अच्छा नहीं लग रहा था? Mooing, the sound made by the cows. And why they were making such a terrible noise? Because of the panic means fear. जो काउज हैं वो डर की वजह से अपने मूइंग साउंड निकाल रहे थे. सो दे स्टॉप्ड. ओके, बाय सीइंग दिस द बोथ bear and dog stopped, and let's see what happened next. 7th paragraph, the bear looked out from behind a tree, and then he too ran hastily deeper into the wood. "Now why did I have to come here?" said the dog. "It is the lion who rules the forest in these parts." "The lion? Who's he? Don't you know he is the strongest beast on the earth?" "Well then, I'll say goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth." See, after seeing this, bear was frightened. Frightened from whom? From the lion. एंड हाउ ही सी कि बेर कैसे डर गया? ही हेस्टली, जब ये उन्होंने काऊ को देखा कि देवर मूविंग एंड देवर रनिंग लाउडली, सो ये देख के बेर भी हेस्टली मीन्स इन हरी वो भी पेड़ के पीछे गया एंड बिहाइंड द ट्री, बिहाइंड मीन्स पेड़ के पीछे से देख रहा था. सो ये सब देख के अगेन डॉग उसको क्वेश्चन करता है कि वाई यू आर हेयर, वाई यू आर गिविंग सच लुक्स, मतलब ऐसे क्यों रिएक्ट कर रहे हो. देन ही रिप्लाई दैट कि लायन जो ये एरिया है पार्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट है, दिस पर्टिकुलर पार्ट ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट इज रूल्ड बाय द लायन, ही टेल हिम. सो ही वॉज सरप्राइजिंगली ही वॉज आस्किंग कौन है लॉयन, हु इज़ द लॉयन and why you are afraid. So he replied that the lion is the strongest and powerful beast, means animal on the earth. After listening this, again dog changed his mind and said goodbye to bear, and he said again he made his point clear. जो डॉग का सबसे पहला पॉइंट या फिर वो अपना एक मास्टर क्यों ढूंढना चाहता था, बिकॉज ही वॉन्ट the master who is stronger than anyone on earth. So by listening to the bear, he thought that कि lion सबसे strongest animal है on the earth. 8th paragraph from here. And off the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. The lion agreed to it, and the dog stayed with him and served him for a long time. It was a good life, and he had nothing to complain of. for there was no stronger beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared to touch the dog or offend him in any way. So the dog went to the lion and requested the lion that please become my master, and after listening this, dog stayed with him and served him for the long time. तो सबसे ज़्यादा ड्यूरेशन डॉग किसके साथ रहा? लायन के साथ. एंड वाई? बिकॉज when he was with the lion, no one tried to offend, means upset. Dared, in the second last line it is written dare to touch, means कोई भी इतना brave enough नहीं था. Okay, no one was brave enough to touch the lion and dog, or offend means to upset them or annoy them in any way. मतलब किसी भी कोई भी सिचुएशन होती पर डॉग को लायन को कोई भी अनॉय नहीं करता, ना ही उनको अपसेट करता बाय एनी मीन्स. 9th paragraph. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along a path that ran amid bare cliff, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paw with such force that the hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. So now when they were again walking to the forest, suddenly amid bare cliff means एकदम से suddenly जो डॉग एंड लायन है वो बिल्कुल क्लिफ मीन्स इट इज़ द अ स्टीप एंड हाई रॉक, सबसे ऊंची वाली जो यू कैन से पहाड़ी, जैसे अपन कहते हैं पहाड़ी का और हिल का सबसे टॉप ऑफ द पार्ट इज पीक. क्लिफ इज़ एक ऐसा रॉक जो अगेन एक हाइट पे है एंड देर इज़ लाइक नो वन कैन रीच दैट ईजिली. सो आफ्टर सीइंग दिस they decided, the dog said कि why we are here. So then the lion replied that what is wrong, is anything wrong कि अपन एकदम से आए हैं. and why the dog was so surprised कि like lion roared in angrily, like उसको समझ नहीं आया कि why lion got angry and why he made his paws सो स्ट्रक, मीन्स उसने अपने लायन ने अपने पाँव एंग्रीली अपने पैर से ज़मीन को इतनी ज़ोर से क्यों मारा, इतनी ज़ोर से मारा दैट इट फॉर्म्ड अ होल, दैट वहाँ पे उस ज़मीन में जहाँ पे भी लायन ने अपना पैर मारा वहाँ पे क्या हो गया था, एक होल. सो डॉग गॉट वेरी वेरी सरप्राइज्ड. तो इन रिप्लाई लायन क्या रिप्लाई करता है फ्रॉम दिस पैराग्राफ ओनली. लायन रिप्लाई कर रहा है, आई स्मेल अ मैन कमिंग दिस वे. द लायन सेड, we'd better run for it or we'll be in trouble. Oh, well, then I say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on earth. So by seeing this कि even lion भी किसी से डर रहा है, so hence it is proved that lion is also not the strongest and powerful. So again he decided that he would say goodbye to lion and went to the human. Last paragraph. And off the dog went to join the man. He stayed with him and served him faithfully. This happened long ago, but to this day the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. So in the end what we see, the dog finally found himself a new master. And he joined the man, he stayed with him and he served him faithfully. Still even today we see that this incident took place way back, but till date the dog is man's most faithful and loyal servant. They enjoy the company. Okay, we found dog most in the also in jungle, also in lane, but अगर किसी को डॉग, अगर जैसे डॉग अपना खुद का विद ओन विश व्हाट ही वांट्स अ मास्टर, सो इन द एंड वी सी ही फाउंड अ बेस्ट मास्टर हु इज स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, पावरफुल एंड द कंपनी विच डॉग एंजॉयड द मोस्ट. So all this is for this chapter. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Be safe.